Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Kathy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Welcome to 15,715 Rolling Timbers, a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in the established Bear Creek Village. This property boasts a spacious floor plan and is situated on a large lot adorned with beautiful, mature trees. With easy access to major highways like Highway 290, Interstate 10, and Beltway 8, commuting in and around Houston is a breeze. This family-friendly neighborhood offers amenities such as a neighborhood elementary school zoned to Katy ISD, a park, tennis and pickleball courts, and 2 pools. Inside, you'll find a well-appointed kitchen, a cozy living area with a brick fireplace, and a master bedroom complete with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The secondary bedrooms are generously sized with ample closet space. Enjoy outdoor living on the great patio overlooking the expansive pool-sized backyard. With no history of flooding, this home is ready for its next